Good morning guys. Ganda ni Ate Dana.
Morning guys.
Ikaban ako ni Mami. Tapos wala pang maskara.
Kulang daw yung makeup ng Mami. Ayan, pupunta kaming school nila guys. At meron silang ballet recital ngayon guys. Ayan, ready na siya. At costume nila ay Moana.
Tapos, sa akin, dress lang.
Opo. Ganun din naman yung classmate mo ah.
Dress ni Moana.
Dress?
Opo.
Costume yun.
Ganun din yan. Parehas lang. Dito na tayo guys. Papasok na tayo. Sara mo na. Sara mo. Dito sila mag-ballet recital guys.
Kala ko ba sa school ni Kuya Man?
Dito nga na. Sila guys. Waiting sila ng kanilang performance. Make the day. Tatlo na lang sila? Ay, teacher, wala si Patricia?
Hello po.
Oh?
Picture.
Lucas will be receiving the certificate of attendance, logical
Picture nila.
intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, your personal intelligence.
Ready, go.
You will also be rewarded with
Kay teacher katingin din, kay teacher.
active color.
One more smile. Okay, any pose, any ballet poses. Show me any ballet poses. 1, 2, 3. Dana, just here. Okay, ready? One more. Smile. One. Smile here. Look at here.
Congratulations, everyone! Our pre-kinder, our nursery, and our primary class. Let's give ourselves a warm round of applause. Now, before we proceed, let us now hear and beautify our ears with a moving of song. I request our kids to please come here on stage. They gonna sing and dance their moving up song entitled It's a Beautiful Day.
Na-practice sila ni teacher. Na-practice sila ni teacher. Yan na guys. Yan na guys. Mag-perform guys.
Thank you. recognize the great teaching of Teacher Luns. This certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Lunalyn Darilal for her hard work, dedication, talent, and impact on her students, resulting in a successful ballet dance simple recital. Program. Let's lend our ear to our Kinder outstanding student, Bella, as she sings Glowing Inside to give a tribute to the parents.
Yay! Tingin ako, nak. Tingin ako. Tingin. Dahil pa kita. Uy, bakit baliktad? Kay Jana yung hawak mo. Ay, kay Jana! Asahan yung ano? Saan yung sa'yo, nak? Kay Jana yan. Kay Jana yung hawak ni Dane. Nagbaliktad. Hindi, ito yung kay hawak ni Dane yung kanya. Yung Dane yung wala. Yeah, that's yours, Dana. Ayan yung sa'yo, Dane, no?
No, that's Dane.
Yan, yun yung Sarah. Yay! Picture!
One, two, three.
Sama si teacher. 1, 2, smile.
Dane, kamay daw, itaas. Itaas yung kamay mo. Kaya ka, teacher, oh. Yan. Yan.
Hindi na po ako nahiya, Mami.
Ayan, guys. Tapos na yung ballet ni Dane.
Hindi na po ako nahiya.
Hindi ka nahiya. Saan tayo kakain?
Sa SNR.
Uy, dadaan kami ng SNR daw, guys. Ayan, so daan kami SNR.
Kinder!
Ar.
Babay na si Aika, babay na sila.
Ar.
Gusto kong umihi. Sana po.
Ayan, guys, dito kami SNR, guys. Kasi kakain daw si Dane dito. After niyang magbalik, kain daw siya dito, guys.
Ambon pala? Akala ko nga.
Kain na tayo, guys. Ano? Pizza with chicken, guys. Kasi sumayaw daw si Dane kanina ng ballet, no? Yan, nagballet sila. O, nag-iyak na tong batang to, guys.
Ako nahiya kayo. Sa kami.
Guys, kain na tayo, guys. Marami tayong siya ngayon. May manok. Kaya lang yung mahilig sa manok, wala dito. Wala si Ate Miri, umuwi. Kaya si Ate din na lang kain ng manok.
Hi, guys.
Guys, kain tayo ng pizza.
Makain din si Dane. Kain po.
Kain tayo, guys, ng pizza at saka manok. Yung paborito na rin ito ni Neri. Hawaiian, pizza.
At saka manok.
Tapos manok. Kain na tayo, guys.
Ito, malaki oh.
Sarap. din, ham.
Ikaw din, ham.
Ham. Ham. Si Dil, lumididi.